All right, I just took a short here on METX. If it pops back over, I'm out. Tape is, there we go. I'm going to trim out on at 238. Took a feeler, nothing big. Range here, I'm putting in an order right away, 238. Oh, well, not 283, 238. And I'm going to put a 254 high price cover. $250.
Possible fill coming over here on CLPS downside. Tape is pretty weak, no buyers. Curling down. If it holds below 530, we'll unwind.
I'm going to put it at 2.
And that's just what I called over here.
39. I'm just going to readjust.
Okay, traders, you see how simple it is when you know how to do the tape.
I'm just going to put 239 just in case.
And this is exactly.
And if we curl back up, I'm going to get out.
Gap and crap pattern. Cover partial over here on the dip.
Thank you.
You can see over here Carford trading like a beast. Shorting a gap and extension, covering partial, re-adding, and now holding for the 190 and lower. Okay, so I just called right now. The eyes are perfect short on gap and extension, CLPS, gap and crap, and I called the timing over here. All right. Tesla dump, VWAP and J-line rejection, but remember,
my computer is like super
SPY,
slow.
ESQ still left.
Like super slow. If this thing pops back up, I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to next candle. Okay, I don't want this thing coming back up to VWAP. Not VWAP, but the J lines. Okay, so I'm going to trim. That'll happen. Okay, so if this thing bounces more, I'm going to trim. Okay, I'm taking half off here.
So
just protecting my trade. I'm just protecting it.
Over here on eyes.
And if it pops up more, I will cut everything. I don't want this thing coming back up to my average here. So if this thing pops over 45, okay, I'm out. Okay, I'm out. That's it, and that's the trade. And it could fail now. Okay, it's okay. I'm gambling. I'm not gambling, but I'm just being protective on my trade. This is SSR. It's Friday. I don't want to be a hero. Okay.
What is this? Okay. So if it breaks 210, expect a wash to 205 over here on eyes. I don't see any buyers. 210, soaking a little bit on the bid. So we have an hidden buyer, 210 traders. The fact that they're selling to him, but he's still not moving. You see it over here, 210. So that's called absorbing or absorption. And he's refilling the bid. So that means if we have a super big buyer, this will push once the sellers are, I would say, exhausted. Instead, if we are exhausted, we will have the wash. All right.
Now it's gonna wash more,
so expect now
but it's okay. I mean, that's not my trading plan, so oh damn, that's okay.
Pretty clear, right? The process of your thought. And our short is still from this area over here, 240, as Calvert showed you over here, the stuff. And now we'll see if we can have one and one. All this we're doing live, because like that you learn. If you're short over here and over here, now your maximum trail has to be 215. So lower your trail to 215. That's risk management. CLPS to the main target. Beautiful, beautiful J-line rejection. So remember, this level over here, 215, is your maximum trail on ice. Yes, unwinding below J lines. So let's see the pop over here. We'll have a pop above 220 till 230. So good 220 resistance over here. Volume is high, 1 million plus. So probably will push.
Gonna go see eyes here. Yeah, this is a nice like J line. Like look at this 90 MA curl. That's nice. This is gonna rip.
Open level over here at 230 on ice. Well done, Sean. Fill with that open level, 230. Came back just below the VWAP over here. And we'll fill probably again over here. I don't see big buyers now stepping in eyes. Still no setup to buy or to short. Squeeze, perfect. Let's look at 250, 245. There's a possibility to short on the squeeze over here. It was super fast over here, the push above 245. High volume, 2.5 million, unless a big stuff. You cannot trade something like this. Golden zone, golden zone. Careful because we have 3 million volume bar. Remember what I said in pre-market, below 700, 650K per minute, okay? They're reloading for the breakout of 250. The volume is enormous over here. I believe there will be a breakout. 244, they're trying to stack the ask. Now 243, 240, 239. Let's see if they reclaim the 240. They stuffed it very fast. If it fails 230, we will have an unwind. But for now, still holding.
Okay, I'm going to keep this open here for Manu. She's trading this.
We're looking for that 250 breakout.
All right, guys, I shorted METX, nailed the J lines here, came down, boom, nailed the 90 EMA here, loaded it, Friday half size only. Profits right here, bottom ticked. I added like a 1 cent over the 200, which was really cool. And then as soon as I saw this freaky action, I took it all off. And that's it. So my locates. Happy Friday, boys.
Fail with that 230. Let's see over here. No A plus setups, all right. Over under the golden zone, but no A plus setup. Sidelines. We took the first over here, the rejection, and I said trail everything to 15. That's the reason. Hope you listen to me. 3 big sellers, 250, 245, 240. So if we reject this 240, let's see. Rejecting 240. $250, they want the breakout, and that's the breakout. 250 to 50.
Yeah, bro. I mean, this is SSR, not an A plus. You know, rules are rules, man. I don't want to fuck up my Friday. I don't want to fuck up my week, man. I don't want to fuck up my weekend. So, how you doing, Em? How you doing? All the guys in Jay's room are long eyes off the J lines, like in 214, like the reclaim of the 9 EMA, and they're selling up in the 240s, 245s.
I want to see over here, yes. If yes rejects, you can have a good J line rejection on yes, all right?
What?
Remember, no A plus setup only for scalp, especially
this.
with the 5-minute J lines and 3-minute J lines below. So they're trying to pump eyes over here. I see some set pumpers. Still, you see traders rejecting that golden zone. First time, second time, but volume is very high. So this is very risky.
I actually was shorting the 258, 255. They filled me at 251.
This is our resistance of the.
I had like a 10-second delay, man. I had to like actually cancel my order and reshort it. It was crazy.
Trend line over here.
Okay, so I'm going to leave this run just a bit more for Manu. No, I think she's already out. Super.
They clear some resistance.
Okay, so I'm
sellers are jumping in again at 250. So you can see at this area we have buyers. At the same time we have resistance over here. Now they cleared it. Good. Yes, J line rejection. Fake breakout over here and stuff. Possible now unwind. Let's see. Clears 240, they will drop it, traders. Okay. Clear 240, they will drop over here, eyes. 240, boom. Target 230. This is no for any beginner. So yes, good daily line rejection. You can see also how Tesla works and is following yes. So pattern, daily line rejection. First pattern over here, gap and extension. Pattern over here, gap and crap, daily line rejection. Is it clear, traders? All right. Yes, first target of the daily line rejection. Thank you, Matty. Thank you, Sean. I think it's done over here, eyes. I see only big seller jumping in. Me will go back to 215.
Fuck, I totally missed this one, man. Up at our supply zone M.
For now.
I was gonna lay into it short here, 245, and literally risk 250, and this thing's gonna wash. God damn, but it's SSR. I don't want to be a hero today, guys. I'm already out. I shorted this sucker. I'm out, man.
Very big.
I have no more coffee, anyways. So I'm closing up here.
More as a fader right now on
and I'll catch you guys in chat.
So those triangles still the green, you can see over here, 240, 240, they're propping. Yes, unwinding more, so yes, playing perfect. So now the trailing, as I told you yesterday in the mentoring session, relative high, 9 MA, and also J-lines. In case J-lines will have a big move. Big seller jumping in over here. See this on the trade? This are the traders. Big seller jumping in after 240. Rejecting 9 MA. For me, this will wash. Be ready. This is a short scalp, 235, 236, risking that 240. If this bar confirms over here below the 9 MA, it's done. This is my tape reading, okay? So only professional traders for scalping purposes only, but you can have a wash even 20 cents. Now I put the stop break even because we had the liquidity going away from 244. Still sellers over here. If you enter 236, you would risk 236, maximum 240 as risk.
I don't want to
Formula
short this.
again,
I would have liked
resistance
to. You would have got. I could have got in here and
downward.
just like bring it boom to
Big
321, but they tucked in like
possibilities,
11 cents. So
eyes will wash. Okay. Mama Bear took the trade, but she's Mama Bear. She's not human. Well done, Mama Bear. I posted hard chart over there. Zaylan's at 220. Wash over here on CLPS. 220, she has the first covers. So now if you're short, okay, and you're short at 235, 236, that should be your maximum risk, all right?
all right, I am going to close the recording here. It's 10 o'clock, and I don't want to be a hero. Had a nice trade here on METX, and that's it. This
Yeah, still unwinding.
this thing is
So
just being
good for who took yes.
a sucker here. Okay.
Well done, Dada.
Jackson, what's your problem?
You mean 592 or 622? 622.
Good call.
Second pop over here on ES, again with high volume, 1 million bars. Careful trader because ES found a support, so possible bounce over here. All right, previous low of the pre-market over here, 37.60. Well done, Mike. Well done, buddy. Perfect short over here on J-line rejection and unwind. Beautiful. another trader's resistance. So sellers place at 243 and 250 on EYES. No, it's already for the short side. There I go. This time we'll break out EYES. The point is, I see a lot of bids propping. 250 will break out. 250. Let's see if they can have more follow through or stuffing again. For now, they're stuffing it. See, this is a stuff formation for now. If it comes back down, 244 stuff will be confirmed. If it breaks 253, 254, instead no more stuff, and this will push. 254 and 244 are the two levels over here. There's a big fight in action. I think more we'll have a push. Look at 244 and 254 traders, right? Yeah, perfect support over here on ES. So good call. 244 went. So over here, no A+ setup, right? Golden zone rejections, only for pro scalpers. No A+ setup.
Okay, I'm going to close everything off here. I'm going to upload this to the channel because I know Manu, I think she was really looking at this here. And that's it for today. It was a good week, really good week. Had some good shorts, good setups. Not A+ setups, but we still had some good trades for what the market gave us this week.
From the volume. 1.8 million bar. So always look strength of the volume. Remember, faders will have 600K. With this volume, we can have the break of the pre-market high and push more.
Okay, so I'll log it out here.
They're trying to push to 257.
And that was it for this week. It was a nice week, really nice week. Fridays, nail and bail, half size. Don't go for home run. Don't be a hero. Like I said, I didn't want to come and let this thing come back out and take all my profits back when I got in this nice average. But I could start nibbling it short here. These wicks. I could have nailed it short, but we're talking what, 10
so
cents.
No more A+ setup right now. Yes.
So, and the 1,000 is right there. See, so to me, it just made no sense to, you know.
Gap and crap.
And that's about it. All right, later. Thanks for watching.
Gap and extension.